Have you ever tried to perform calculations with dates in Excel and gotten strange numbers or dates in return? In this example, I'm trying to calculate the number of days between registration and an event date. Not only do I not want my result to be a date, but it's an off-the-wall date that makes no sense to me. Excel stores dates as the number of days elapsed since January 1st, 1900. What is referred to as a real date in Excel are those serial numbers that represent the elapsed time, but formatted to display as a date. Real dates can be easily formatted using a variety of date display options and can also easily be used for calculations. Excel doesn't always apply the correct formatting between numbers and dates, so you can simply adjust as needed. In my example, Excel calculated the correct value, it's just displayed as a date instead of a number. Other times, especially if you're using a formula, the result may display as the odd serial number, and you can then change the format to a date. How do you know if you have real dates or text dates in your sheet? You can choose to show formulas either by clicking the toolbar icon or by pressing Ctrl plus the grave accent key. Real dates show as serial numbers, while text dates stay as dates.